So I'm here in Puyallup at another market. Another market was it like a outdoor marketplace? So I'm gonna go take a walk around and see what's going on here. Playground, pets, a lot of kids here. It's, it's a family vibe for sure. They got flowers for $10, $20. I know nothing about flowers, but I just want to show you guys what's here. Like a smoked meat area. Yeah, so they got stuff indoors, wine, food. But let's take a walk this way.
Hello. Hello. You guys want to try some hot sauce?
Hot sauce, huh?
You got hot sauce?
I do.
Like it's just a.
You made this yourself
I
or?
do make it. Yeah.
Oh,
You want to
okay.
try too?
I'll let her try. Give it a shot.
Okay, nothing with mango.
Okay, no mangoes. This is jalapeno dream, roasted garlic, jalapeno, tomatillo.
Okay.
You know, skip the mango. This is ghostly garlic, roasted garlic, and ghost pepper.
Oh, that one sounds good.
Not bad, everybody. Did you hear that? Not bad.
That one has a kick to it.
Scorpion's kiss. This is strawberry and scorpion pepper.
Sounds pretty good too.
And then Caribbean crush, cinnamon, allspice, pineapple, Scotch bonnet, and Carolina Reapers.
Oh, damn, I like this one.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll have to do another.
So that's a lot. This one got a lot more like snacks, fruits. More flowers around here. So there's some music on the background, but I'm not sure it's gonna be on there. If there is, I'm gonna probably play something over it. I don't know why I always explain that every time there's music. I think anybody watch YouTube, they know how YouTube works.
I'm asking. Is it really?
It depends on the brand. Like that one there, I would use.
Yeah, this market have more variety of different stuff, handcraft stuff, food. Yeah, they got varieties of stuff here. I think they got something for everyone for sure.
Some milk, something milk that's really dry.
You can same it in here. They got more food, souvenir, and we got some coffee here, cake, you know, candles. There's mushrooms and you got stuff.
You're good? You want to try some? Oh, man. That's fine. Yeah, actually, a lot of people from PHS and
For example, a caramel, you want to try?
Wait a minute. Now I'm on the opposite side of the street. Now this is where all the fruits and vegetables at. That is interesting. I know you heard this before, but no, but it really is my first time here. So I was just walking by. So I got here to the very corner, and they got all these plants. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to walk inside here, but yeah, they have a variety of plants for sale. And this It's pretty cheap, like $5. That's a, is that lemongrass? Oh, is that just grass?
No, it's good.
Let's get close up on his bird.
I do too.
Pistachios and walnuts.
Where is my curiosity?
Yeah, so we walked right in the park area, and that's where the arts crafts that's at. But when you come out on the side street here, this is where all the fruits and the vegetables.
That's it. Oh, I messed up. Yeah. You're reading the wrong stuff. Yeah.
Squash, $1 a pound. That's a big corn. It's $1 each. But here, let me pick it up for you. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah. Yeah. Jalapenos, hilltop fryer, fresh eggs. If you want some eggs, there's some eggs here. A lot of flowers, that's for sure. You look into flowers. Puyallup Market is worth coming to. There's a lot of stuff for everyone, for everything. They got all sorts of stuff, from art, food, fresh fruit, and meat and everything. So the only thing I got was this little flower. Yeah, but we'll see you guys next video. I'll go walk around and find more markets to take you guys for a little walking tour. So most of the time in the videos, I'm gonna be playing music over it because I don't know really much what to really say because I don't really know about the product or anything like that. But I just wanna do a walking experience, you know what I mean? The point of view, trying to see what's here just in case you guys want to drop by here. Because seeing things on video is not the same as you actually, you know, come to look at it. 'Cause there is a lot of stuff here and there's a lot of cool stuff. I'll see you guys next episode.